Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn the super easy square motif, and I'll also show you how to join them together like this. And this is very easy and it looks very pretty. So you can make you use this pattern in your crochet tops or table runners. Even you can make this kind of crochet lace by joining motifs one after other. So let's go ahead, and this I've made in yellow color, which would not be clearly visible in the video. So I'm going to show you with this white color. It would be very easy for you all to understand. So let's start by making, okay, I have taken this thin cotton 3-ply yarn with a crochet hook of size 1.90 mm. So let's start crocheting. If you want, you can start with magic circle like this, raising the thread up with 3 chains. Or if you want, you can start by making chain of 10 for the circle. For that, I'll make a slip knot first, like this, and then chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll join this with a slip stitch, the very first chain, this. Now 1, 2, 3 chains up to raise for the first round, and here I'll make 24 double crochet, including this chain 3, which count as one double crochet. 24 double crochets. 3, 4, 24. And now after making 24 double crochets, I'm gonna end this round with a slip stitch on the very first chain of on the third chain of the 3 chains we have taken at the start. Now I'll make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the same chain stitch here to bring up for the next round. Now the second round, chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll skip 2 chain stitch from the base round or 2 double crochet here. In the third one, I'll make a single crochet. So this is my very first chain 5 space. Likewise, I have to make 8 chain spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skipping 2 double crochets from the first round. In the third one, I'll make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet after skipping 2 chain stitch or 2 double crochet from the base round. Likewise, I'll make 8 chain 5 spaces here. 8 chain 5 spaces. Okay, as you can see, I've made 7 spaces already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and for the last one, I'll do a slip stitch in the first single crochet which we have made here. So I'll make a slip stitch here. So 8 spaces are ready. Now in the very next chain 5 space, I'll make a slip stitch like this, and 3 chains up, which will count as 1 double crochet. Here I'll make 2 more double crochet. I'll make a cluster here. Here 3 chains which count as 1 double crochet, 2 more double crochet, and then I'll make it together to make a 3 double crochet cluster. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. In the same chain 5 space, I'll make 2 more 3 double crochet cluster. So this is 1, 2, and 3, like this. 2. Now third one, 1, 2, 3 chains, and then the third cluster. 1, 2, 3. So I have made 3 double crochet cluster with gap of chain 3, chain 3. Now I'll make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to do a single crochet in the next chain 5 space here. Then again 1, 2, 3 chains up, and I'll make 3 double crochet clusters here again 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is the first one with a gap of chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Second 3 double crochet cluster, 2 and 3, like this. Again 1, 2, 3 chains, and third 3 double crochet cluster, 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Likewise I'll make the other 2 corners. Again chain 3 up, then 3 times 3 double crochet cluster with gap of chain 3, single crochet in the next one, then again 3 double crochet cluster 3 times, single crochet here, and our round will get end. So I'll complete this third round and I'll see you then. Here I'm done with my last chain 3, and I'm going to do a slip stitch here in the on the top of this cluster, like this. So far our square looks like this. Now fourth round, chain 1 up and single crochet in the same chain stitch here. I'll make 2 single crochets in the next chain 3 space, 1 and 2. So this will count as 3 single crochets, 1 on the top of this and 2 in the chain 3 gap. I'll make 6 chains now. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I'll make 2 single crochets here in the next chain 3 gap, 1 and 2, and 1 single crochet, which is the third single crochet on the top of this cluster, chain 3 cluster, double crochet cluster, 3 double crochet cluster, like this. So this is how our first corner is made. Again I'll make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll skip this 3 chain and this 3 chain gap, and directly I'll make a single crochet on the top of the cluster, first cluster, like this, and then 2 double crochet inside this, 1 and 2 inside this chain 3 gap, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 double single crochet here in the next chain 3 gap, 1 and 2, and the third one on the top of the third 3 double crochet cluster, like this. Again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the top of the cluster, and 2 single crochet in the chain 3 gap, 1 and 2, and then 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 double crochet in the next chain 3 gap, 1, 2, and then third one on the top of this chain 3 double crochet cluster. Likewise I'll complete this round here, and I'll see you at the end of fourth round. Okay, my last chain 5 is done for the last gap, and I'm going to do a slip stitch on the very first single crochet that we have made, like this. So at the end of 1, 2, 3 and fourth round, my square looks like this, like this. Let's start with the fifth round. Chain 3 up for 1 double crochet. Now 2 double crochets on 2 single crochet here, 1, 2. We'll need to make 11 double crochets here in chain 7 gap. It is actually counted as 3 double crochet for these 3 chains, then 5 double crochets on the middle chain, and then 3 double crochets on these 3 chains. So that is total 11 double crochet inside this gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now again we have 3 single crochets here, so we will make 3 double crochets on 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Our first corner is ready. Now we'll make 5 double crochet in the chain 5 gap. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 3 single crochets are here in the base round. In the previous round I'll make 3 double crochet on the top of 3 single crochets. This. Then again in the next gap I will make 11 double crochets, then 3 double crochets, 5 double crochets, 3 double crochets. You do not have to skip any of the chain stitch. It is the number of double crochets is equal to the number of single crochets or number of chain stitch in the previous round. So I'll complete my round this way, 5th round, and I'll see you at the end of the round here. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this round with a slip stitch on the 3rd chain stitch we have taken at the start of the round. This, and after the 5th round my square motifs look like this. Now the last round, and after this I'll show you how to join another one. So for the 6th round I'll make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the same chain stitch to bring up the next round like this. Now I'll make chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and with the gap of 1 and 2 stitches, 2 double crochets in the 3rd one, I'll make a single crochet. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, with the gap of 1, 2 chain stitches, I'll make single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, with the gap of this I'll make single crochet here. Now what I'll do is I'll make chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll make single crochet in the very next chain stitch here, or very next double crochet from the previous round to make the corner like this. Now again chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, with the gap of 2 stitches in the 3rd one I'll make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, with the gap of this 2 single crochet. Likewise I have to make, on every round there has to be 7 spaces of 4 chain 4 spaces, 7, and corner of 6 chains here. So far we have done 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4 here. This is the 3rd one. 1, 2, 3, 4, with the gap of this is the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, gap of 2 chain stitch. This is the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to make gap of here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and in the very next chain stitch we'll make a single crochet Likewise, we'll keep repeating for all the four corners, four sides, and each side has to be 7 chain 4 gaps equally, so that there won't be any problem while attaching, while joining two squares here. So I'll complete this round and I'll see you at the end of the round. So I'm done with my sixth round, and I'm going to end this round with a slip stitch in the very first single crochet that we have made here. I'll hide this tail afterwards. So our square motif look like this. Now I show you how to join this motif. For that, we will complete all the 5 rounds first, and sixth round, all the 3 sides we will complete, or first we will join this and then we will complete the 3 sides. It depends on you. So let me show you how to join this with the other motif. All right. So now I'll show you how to join these motifs. So now what I'll do is, I'll start with the corner. 1, 2, 3 chains. I'll take this one, this right side on the front side, and this right side on the front side. In the very corner here, first corner, I'll do a slip stitch very first, joining these two like this. Then 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And in this motif where we are making, the very next chain, I'll make a single crochet. Now chain 2, and then I'll join with a slip stitch in the first chain 4 gap here like this, and chain 2, 1, 2, and then leaving 2 chains space here. In the third one I'll make a single crochet, then chain 2, then in the next chain 4 space I'll make a slip stitch here, chain 2, and then I'll make a single crochet, leaving these 2 stitches here, 2 double crochets from the previous round. 1, 2 chain, then in the next chain 4 space I'll make a slip stitch like this, chain 2, and a single crochet, leaving 1 and 2 stitches like this. Again 1, 2 chain. So each time you have to make 2 chains after joining this with a slip stitch, 2 chains, because we have made a chain space of 4 chains, leaving these 2 in the third one like this. 1, 2 chain here, then a slip stitch here, 2 chains, and a single crochet, leaving 2 chain space, 2 chains, slip stitch, 2 chains, and leaving 2 chain space in the third one, leaving 2 stitches. In the third stitch make a single crochet. Now chain 3, because we are at the corner, 1, 2, and 3, slip stitch here, and then 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the very next chain here. And now I will continue making chain 4 spaces the way we have made here. So this is how we have to join. So guys, as you can see, this is how you have to crochet this motif, square motif, and you can attach it. You can join these pieces to make a handbag or your crochet top, or even you can make a crochet lace by joining one after another like this. So I've made this in yellow color, as you can see. So this is how you have to make this crochet motif. This is very easy, so go ahead and try making this and let me know how you like it. I'll see you in the next one, and please do not forget to keep liking and sharing, subscribing my videos. Thank you.